If you find the content relevant, then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell button to get a regular notification. Also do share your experiences and any suggestions that you have in the comment box. Hope you enjoyed. Hi, Patrick here in the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is the Hita Agarwal. The question is, now the cat is done, what next? Two things. First, find out your approximate score that you've got in CAT. Find out the estimated percentile that you've got. I mean, you will get a lot of this website where you will get the estimated percentiles and scores, etc. And see which all colleges you can apply. That's the first thing you can do. Second, plan for the other exams. I mean, normally the people who do well in the other exams are the one who actually prepare for the same focus. Unfortunately, after a lot of preparation for CAT, people lose out steam. Okay, people miss out on the whole aspect about preparing for the examinations as such. They become a little slack, saying that I've done CAT and why to do next. Also, remember the people who do well in the other exams are normally the people who don't do well in CAT. Why? Because they feel that the CAT has not done well, so they put in the extra efforts for the other exam. People whose CAT has normally done well, they become slack and they unfortunately don't do well in the other exam. So it's very important, remember that if you want to really crack the other exams, you need to put in the conscious effort for preparing. And to put in the conscious effort of preparing, you need to make a proper plan and execute it. Yeah, it's okay to take a day or 2 days break. There's no harm. I mean, finish the CAT, take a couple of days break, Monday, Tuesday, take a break. Maybe you can start from Wednesday. Perfectly alright. But do make a plan, do prepare. And that is what is going to make a difference between getting a call from maybe the XLRIs, the SIBM Pune or any other college. Put in the effort for those exams. It's important. Okay, whichever exam you give, my CAT, any exam, there is something different in every examination, right from the strategy to the type of questions to everything. It's important to know and plan accordingly. And the best way to plan maybe is to write a mock before you start preparing, to understand the pattern of the paper, and then accordingly go about preparing for the same. Do that, and that should help you.